गांधी के चरखे से मिली आत्मनिर्भरता की सीख, जहां जहां खादी के धागे धागे में स्वदेशी का गर्व भरा, जिसने दिया है विश्व को आयुर्वेद और योग का ज्ञान। मिथिला की चित्रकला से जीवंत होते राधे श्याम। दक्षिण के हो मिर्च मसाले या कश्मीर की पश्मीना शाल, मिट्टी के कारोबारी हो या गुजरात के जरी का काम, स्थानीय उत्पाद को बनाए हम विश्व की शान। A very good morning to all of you. This is Vidushi Roy from Bihar, and my topic is Vocal for Local, Making India an Economic Superpower. Now, when I see this topic, I find two aspects. The first aspect is, why do we need local products? The answer is, the Indus Valley civilization, the cradle of human race, was a major exporter throughout the world of spices, muslin, cloth, and many sapphires that catered to the needs of the world. In the 20th century, when the country got into the struggle of independence, it was the Swadeshi Andolan which brought the unity of India. Now, this did not happen because of a single person. This happened because the entire country, it rose vocal for local. In the 73rd year of our independence, it is a very strange pandemic, but it has got us the opportunity to understand the importance of local manufacturers, local markets, and local supply chains. In the words of the Honorable Prime Minister, इस संकट की घड़ी में हमें लोकल ने ही बचाया है. And is it not true? When the pandemic initially hit us, it was the local kadha recipe, local kadha and local bazaar which actually brought us peace and sanity. This is what India can do. In the ignorance of the world, they called us the country of snake charmers. But today, India is exporting COVID-19 vaccines across the nation and across the globe. Not to mention the Namaskar Sanskar, which has become the greeting of the world. Now, this brings me to the second aspect, which is, how do we promote our local objects in order to become a 5 trillion economy? My friends, India has the largest youth population, comprising 27.5% of people. At the same time, we are at the highest when it comes to global competitive index or ease of doing business. This will not only empower the youth, but also build opportunities so that we can be a great nation. This has prevented brain drain and brought brain gain. My friends, this will put India on the global scale as a manufacturing hub, be it the Sarkari Yojnas like Mudra Yojana or even Atal Innovation Mission. India does not lack potential or local talent, but it is our responsibility to become vocal for local products and make our country an economic superpower. First, the country of other world, they said that plastic is good and they promoted plastic bottles, but now they are embracing our tradition of matka and terracotta pots in order to check plastic pollution. This shows, my friend, how beautifully our country is talented and every single corner and nook of it has local talent. We say that if you want to choose a country and if you want to judge its success, see how it treats its women. My friends, our country will be empowered when we go for local economy, and at the same time, it's important that it will also empower the women's self-help groups. It is the clarion call that we must follow. 68% of MSMEs do not have local support, and they are not on the social media front. I believe we, the people of India, should make that call and bring them on the promotion of social media platform. At the same time, we must remember that Atmanirbhar Bharat is a vision not only of one person or a prime minister, but it should be the vision of every single citizen in this country. हम विश्व को आत्मनिर्भर भारत बनाएंगे. हम विश्व को आत्मनिर्भर भारत बनाएंगे. सिर्फ अब सोने की चिड़िया नहीं, हम सोने का अंबर बनाएंगे. जय हिंद.